Hi, let's talk about Cuentas. It's a company that its subsidiaries provides mobile banking, online banking, prepaid debit, and digital content services to the unbanked, underbanked, and underserved communities in the United States and internationally. The market cap is not so big, 38 million, and there's a lot of risks based on simple Wall Street. Earnings have declined by 5% per year over the past 5 years, has less than 1 year of cash runaway. Shareholders have been substantially diluted, makes less than 1 million in revenue. It's actually 649,000, and also two more risks. The share are volatile share price over the past 3 months, and does not have meaningful market cap, which is currently 38 million. This actually altogether makes pretty much easy shorting stuff for the institutions and big companies shorting this stock. I think that's why this squeezed a lot, 164% currently. So actually I found that many of the squeezers, as I call it, they are searching for the short flat volumes on stock. So there's big players shorting, they're just squeezing them. Anyway, market performance, 1 year return minus 57%. Of course, this is long term, pretty sad story. 5-year return minus 97%. By the way, industry itself is not returning anything. It's decreasing 20% through the 5 years. This is actually telecom sector. There was latest share price news of the earnings updates that made the change so deeply going down. So this is actually very from the fundamental and technical perspective, this is not so unique company to research, but once this is raising so significantly, 170%, this is actually could go squeezed a lot of juice from there. Long-term price volatility considered as lowest. So if we look at this one screen, and we have the same spike where last year August, but it went down since there. This is actually long-term decreasing, as you can see, downtrend there. And the volumes are very high by today, so 170 million. Usually there's 20,000, 80,000, 100, 6,000 even. So this is actually illiquid as well. So there's a lot of risk. I think the big companies likes to short this kind of companies, and the popular community could affect it on price very much. So this is actually very likely to end not so good to the big players. Valuation side, so based on simple Wall Street, we don't have any price targets, neither the tip ranks, not even the market watch. Actually, it's 186%. Wow, so huge squeeze going on. And future growth for the telecom, 3%. Past performance companies, annual earning growth decreased by 5%. They have this peak in revenue back in 2018, but then decreases Well, I'm not sure where there's. I think this could be some of the one item impacting the financial results. But anyway, the company is profitable, and financial health side we see equity is increasing. They have very long period of time, high level of depth, and negative shareholder equity, which is very serious situation. Nowadays they have cash 6 million, 10 million of equity, and 400,000 depth. Debt to equity ratio is 4%. So you see little dot there on the red on the right corner. They're not paying dividends. And on the insider trading side, let's have a look. Yeah, there was a buyers individual that have been buying, but not a significant amount of money. But anyway, ownership breakdown: private companies holding mostly 39%, general public 34%, insiders 26%, institutions 0.6%. As we open top shareholders, only one member of the board of directors, decreased 92%. Vanguard had actually increased this stock 31st of May. Last month increased by 2000%. And yeah, so by today, this looks very good. There's a yes, so it's actually pumped up today. So yesterday the price were 2.78. Yeah, 200% return. Actually, this is very unique situation. But if we open max frame, so the stock price were at around, how much is that? Almost $2 billion. So those who invested back in 2008, they are most likely at minus 100%. So be careful, guys. And investing.com summarized the stock for long-term investors as a strong buy. And yeah, the simple safe dividend shows that shares outstanding keep significantly increasing, and total sales dropped near to zero, based on like if we opened up the big companies. So this actually not even near to the levels that it has for 74 million in 1 year. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.